ilang logo nila.
Of the resort, guys. The name of their logo is Secret Asia Resort, located at Tuling, Patag, Opol, Misamis, Oriental.
Recommendable gid kaayo, di ba Bibi no?
What can
Bibi,
you say about the pool?
Tsara siya Bibi.
It's really
Hala,
fun.
One thing that I can offer you guys is their staff are very accommodating,
yes.
and they offered us some drinks if we decide to drink some water. Forget that our main entrance is only 100 pesos.
Hello.
Yes, thank you for watching. Bye. Finally, we are here now at AJ Resort.
Ato madalo.
Jadi makabas ka.
Kinoko ato na tayo ito, ato na stoling sa kuan AJ's Resort. Moto ito kay magkuan ta dito, mangaligo ta kay ini pa naron. Gani kay gyangyo sa kuya. Tag 150 gid ada iya. Ay, first time ko gumimana ko sa tour sa resort. Ito kay bato dito. Sige go.
Kaya sa ato ha. Pero hindi possible tayo dito. Balang wala. Yes. It's nice to have a day off. Hello guys, we are headed to anong tawag doon?
AJ's Resort.
This resort located at
Tuling.
Mall, Misamis Oriental. So it's our day off for today. So we decided, me and my friends, to go there
Yes.
and enjoy the beautiful place like what they call AJ Resort.
AJ's Resort.
Those places guys are very promising, so we are excited to get there.
Malakayan sila na sa Malakayan muna ganin ay kumigas sa City Hall. So City Hall to
Yeah, sa may kuan Opol.
Opol Boulevard no. Mas makita na sa Malikahan o Maisita.
Kayo try cup or either
Plate atin
or
plate
half.
guys.
Ang plate is around 100 to 150. Minimum 100 maximum.
Ay, diyan yun ang mas kuya.
Oh, yes.
Ako naman budget. Wala nga gay kwento sa nga lugar yan. Saan na gini nga lugar yan? Saan na siya? Ay, simenteryo din na. Okay, so simenteryo din na. Alam sa tapos ay nahanin ha. Matsada mo kung
Internal gardens.
Internal gardens pa rin siya cemetery. Kuanday, magupad na siya.
Pamayaman ni Malut.
Katuwa pa nakabalo nga naadi ay din sa Opol ba? Ay Cold Spring. Ewan. Ano na sa resort. That is the resort. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Finally, we are here now at AJ Resort, located at Tuling, Patag, Opol, Misamis Oriental. So as you can see, I am now walking headed to their entrance. So nandito si Kuya. So their entrance fee here guys is only 100 pesos. So if you decide na mag-overnight, you're going to add 50 pesos. So it's become 150 pesos. So ayan guys.
So muna na ilang panda, ilang logo nila.
The resort guys, the name of their logo is Secret Asia Resort, located at Tuling, Patag, Opol, Misamis Oriental. So come with me around and I'm going to show you the area of their pools. So I am now walking their runway.
Runway.
With my friend Jeff.
Yay!
So what can you say about their pool guys?
Tsada kaayog yun. Hindi mo kabasol kay nga naman. Tsada gid siya, no? Kada organize kay ang area. Beautiful kay ang mga designs.
So,
Apala mo,
100 pesos entrance guys, you can experience this kind of amenities. Look at the pool
yes.
guys.
Tsada kay kasi dahil no.
Very elegant and very expensive. And
Yes.
look, their amenities are very good, very organized. And one thing that I can offer you guys is their staff are very accommodating,
Yes.
and they offered us some drinks if we decide to drink some water
Dito
or
lapit,
whatever. They offered us guys, so ganun sila ka kuan dito guys, ganun sila ka accommodating
Oo,
guys.
tsaka kila customer service di bali ba?
Customer service is very 100% check. Ayan guys, they're mini pools. So I guess there are 3 mini pools and then there is one huge pool there.
No, tsaka kay no. So sila ba sila mga love life dive? Okay kay din yung mga love life gino ko.
Did you hear the backgrounds of the music?
Tsaka kay mga love life dive no, na dinis lang magkuan ba?
Ayan guys, meron din sila mga dwarf na mga coconut
Yes.
surrounded on their pools.
Sama na siya.
So what are you waiting guys? What are you waiting for guys? Come and visit AJ Resorts located at Tuling, Patag, Upol, Misamis Oriental. So it takes 30 minutes away from city proper of Upol, Misamis Oriental. And do not forget that our main entrance is only 100 pesos.
Hello.
Yes! Thank you for watching. Bye! Hello guys, welcome to AJ Resort. So I am here now inside the AJ Resort together with my friend Jeffrey who is holding
Hello, I'm
his
here.
phone now. His iPhone 11.
Oy, iPhone 11.
So andito tayo ngayon guys, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng kanilang pool. Very
Yes, it's
expensive.
nice. So tsaka
Look,
kay siya
very
no.
elegant and expensive their pool guys.
Yes,
oh.
oo,
There are
no.
several pools here. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo, merong mga coconut trees beside
Eh pila
their
kila
pool.
entrance gani? Demo ko manok pila ila entrance ani
It's
ay.
only 150 I guess. If I'm not
Oo. Pero ako bitaw pastor yun, masyada gyud diri gid sa AJ Resort no kay ngano man. Sada siya ba dai mga kanang beauty bitaw nila kanang mga kuno kanang mga usta ani.
Ganda, oh, meron silang
Kasi
coconut tree.
coconut tree bitaw nga cute na cute dwarf coconut. Sada gyud kay siya and dakan pud kay sila mga sa tali dai kanang dakan sila mga kanang pools ba, di ba? Sada kay sila mga pools ba?
Oh, there are mini pools here. Not only one huge pools, but there are
My God, it's my first time nga tsada kay siya ba na sulit kaayo ko ang interest ani is 100. So sulit kaayo kay ngano man dakan ka falls, naay pang bata po na pang tiguang ba. Di ba dai ba? Oo. So ang ambiance train kay ang ilang palibot ba na green leafy trees kay sila di ba dai? Oh my God. Okay.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye.
Pagchika. Hello guys, it's so nice here sa
Yes.
dito sa Aegis Resort and itong
Ang ganda dito, guys.
Dahil mo itong dala ba sa atong
Oo na.
karon.
Para nagkamali yung driver guys. Instead of these destinations, Oh.
So tsada gid kay siya ay
he brought us to wrong destinations earlier.
Ay labit ang pools nila is organized kaayo.
Yes,
Tapos,
very,
ang lago,
very,
ang
very,
clean.
very organized and very clean.
Limpyo kay siya guys.
Very, very
So,
clean. Tingnan nyo nga guys,
Una
ang
nga,
linis.
Ako i-advise mo, come and visit this AJ Resort, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. So,
Ayun,
ma'am,
guys.
pinag-interest gani, ma'am? At pinag-interest gani, ma'am? 100
Hello, very affordable. Ang ganda.
Siya sa 8 to
8 to 5 p.m.
So, yes, napos sa overnight. Pila po ang panay, ma'am, overnight?
Okay.
So, hindi ka magbase, no? So, ay, hindi ka magbasol. Bakit ano man?
Oo.
Worth it kaayo.
Tingnan nyo
Diba,
nga, ang ganda
no?
ng kanilang pool. Oh. Very, very organized and very
Tsaka kay
clean.
pang bata, na pang guwang.
Very elegant as
Clean
well.
kaayo.
Oo.
So,
Ma'am, thank you ma'am ha. Nag-promote lang gud mi ma'am sa mga mga dili sa Misamis Oriental tanan ba ginadtuan mo kuno mo. We are promoting ba
Oy,
oh.
ka na sa Urik TV na mga
Oh, nga vlog.
Tawag vlog.
Oo.
Hi! So, i-view gani siya, di ba?
Orig,
Kay Dino
Orig TV ang vlog mo sa YouTube.
sa YouTube guys.
Orig TV oh. I-search lang siya ma'am sa YouTube.
Ay, sige, so,
Hi.
oh, yes.
Hello guys,
Oh.
welcome to AJ Resort here in Patag, Upol, Misamis Oriental. So as you can see guys, I am touring you. I am going to show you the area of their pools.
Yes.
So they have several pools here, from small pools to their huge pools.
Pila ka ito ilang entrance gani? Di ba 100 man ito ilang entrance
Their
ba?
entrance according to the ano, how do you
O
call
ito ilang kuha nila, ilang nagbantay ba?
Oo.
Oo. Pila ka ito?
Only
Ang
100 pesos, very affordable guys, according to their parang
Pero ilang paggabi pila ito syempre 150 man to ba?
150 during at night, guys. If you want to decide to overnight with your friends, relatives, and to sleep here, so you're going to pay 150 pesos. So during daytime, you're going to pay 100 pesos. So the difference is only 50 pesos, right? If you decide to go overnight.
So sa na siyang overnight, okay kay na siya. Ako sa kuan kayo karang sulit kayo, di ka mabasol gyud anak gyud.
Very
Mo ba?
solid at the
Lagi
same
kay
time.
makita man pud.
Very
Di ba
affordable.
makita man pud sa ilahang kuan pud, di ba? O sada kaayo. The best kay siya guys. So abi na ko siya mahalon kay ngano, quality man kay environment. So nara man siya sa 100 ang daytime niya, ang payment is 100 lang. O, di ba? So wala uy sada kaayo ay gusto ko balik din ni. Gusto ko balik din dalo na ko akong family ba. Kay ngano para po ma-explore pa lang ang the beauty of AG Resort. My God. I love this area.
Back here in our in YouTube channel of my friend
Tabian.
Jeffrey in Orig TV.
Orig TV.
So ano masasabi mo dahil sa kanilang pool dito sa may AJ Resort
Oo.
located at Patag Upol, Misamis
Yes,
Oriental. So
that-
what can you say about the
Wala,
amenities?
the best case siya,
Wonderful.
no? Na ang ilang mga ang ilang po mga staff din is ka na
Accommodating kaayo.
accommodating kaayo, duod gid
Yes.
sila unsag ano to
Very friendly.
yes, very
Oo.
friendly. Oo.
And they are
tapos-
offering us their drinks.
Yes, oo.
Oo.
So mo na siyang advantage nila tapos limpyo gid kay siya ba, di ba dahil no? Organized kaayo oh.
Yes.
Ang uban mo table nito sa nasa one
Dami.
sa mga bato, mga flowers kani
So
siya kay
Sunday man ani diri guys ha pero grabe
o
ka.
Sunday kaayo.
Oh,
Oo.
There are Sundays guys nga medyo mingaw gid siya.
Recommendable gid kaayo, di ba
Ay.
bibi no?
What can
Bibya?
you say about the pool?
Tsara siya bibi.
It's really
Hala,
fun.
it's really
That's really
and-
fun. Really?
Yes, it's really fun. At
Did
what's
you enjoy
other-
swimming in the pool?
Yep.
Really? Together with who? Who are you with?
With your mom, with your
friends?
fathers?
Our family.
Ay, your family,
Where's your
wow.
family right now?
There.
So they
okay.
already have their own. They already finished their swimming na.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Okay guys, di ba ang bata lang nagsulting
Oh,
nga.
diba?
So
Na-enjoy gid siya.
Na-enjoy gid siya with the family.
They're having fun together with his friends.
Di ba? So man na siya usa ka mga kuan ba, kung activity tagaan ba to ang surfing.
they enjoy
So
that.
mao gid siya,
Swimming
na-enjoy
pool.
gid siya bayot.
So,
O di ba dai? Interview gid ba?
The
So
child.
lagi kasi di ba?
Ha?
So lagi kasi bayot. Puro sa Irizi Resort ga gisart ako sa YouTube, di ba? Puro gamay lagi nakabaluan ni day nga naara gitago gid day nga resort din ni. O si ba recommendable kaayo.
Oh. Okay. Entrance is only 100 pesos, right, guys? Pag gabi, pila po nila gani, dai? So during night, if you decide to have an overnight here, so you're going to add 50 pesos for 150 pesos overnight. So in Paris, so stop here and enjoy the amenities. Here comes very, very healthy. Dapat destination, ito ang nag-block niya sa katulong yan. Oo, ano ang pinag-isip?
So may plano sa yung family dai.
So actually, Dai, my plan here during my next visit here is to bring my family and my relatives here because I highly recommend this place because this place is very, very beautiful and very, very clean. Look at the pool.
Daon.
And their
Diba?
pool is very, very huge and elegant. diba?
Yes.
Very, very clean. Their amenities are very,
Yes.
very
Oo,
clean.
di gid iba kay basol ba
And also,
nga.
guys, one thing is their staff here is very accommodating.
Yes.
So they offer us some drinks.
Yes.
So they offer us some drinks, and if you're going to promote their drinks,
Oh,
so they offer
even
us
sa ato mga trabaho nato ba, so ato
Yes.
mga kauban ng trabaho, so pwede ka ba siya ma-promote kay ano man. Sana gid siya.
Sana gid siya,
Oh,
please,
di ba worth it
guys.
kayo?
So if you want to visit together with your friends, colleagues, family reunion or whatever, so I highly recommend you to visit this place. It takes I guess 30 minutes
From
to get here from the city proper of Opol Misamis
Yes,
Oriental.
oo.
So the entrance fee guys is very affordable. It's only 100 pesos. So saan ka pa?
Di
So,
ba?
100
Oo.
pesos. And look at the pool guys.
Yes.
It's very worth it for 100 pesos nga entrance fee. Di ba? So come and visit AJ Resort located at Patag Opol Misamis Oriental. Bye!